ladies and gentlemen, when adding when adding polynomials, the first thing that we want to make sure that we're going to have, Austin, all right, is we need to make sure when we're going to be adding these up, all right, we have to first make sure that we can only add like terms. What like terms I mean by they have the same variable factors, all right? So when we're looking at these, I can only add an x cubed with an x cubed. I can only add an x squared with an x squared, and an x with an x, and a number with a number. OK? So we cannot add, if you guys remember this, we did x squared times x cubed, we said was x to the fifth, right? But don't try to tell me that x squared plus x cubed, that doesn't equal anything that we can evaluate as one single number. Chris, are you writing this down? Yeah. OK. So you have x squared plus x cubed. That just equals x squared plus x cubed. You can't combine that any further. All right?
Unless they're both like x squared and x squared.
Right. As long as if they have the same exponent, then if you have x squared plus x squared, that equals 2x squared. Well, let's look at it. X times x plus x times x times x. What is that? That doesn't equal x multiplied by itself 5 times.
It doesn't.
That just equals
X squared plus x cubed.
right. But what about x times x plus x times x? Ladies and gentlemen, that's x times x plus x plus x. That's the same thing as 2 times x, right? You have 2 of them. So that's why it's equal to x squared plus x squared equals 2x squared. OK, so you can combine them because these are the same elements, right? So you have 2x's, so you have multiplying, so you're doing 2 of it, right? OK, so we have that whole explanation.
That's not
Now,
the problem, is it?
huh?
That wasn't even part of the problem. Was it?
Not even part of the problem. That was a little prelude. So I'll use that as a prelude. And then what I'll do is I'll show you guys how to do this problem. So that is just why.